It's September 2019 here at Henssler Financial, and we found 3 important things to focus on in the market this month. Number 1, the Fed. The Federal Reserve cut benchmark interest rates in its July meeting, calling their move a, quote, recalibration rather than a more aggressive easing cycle. Well, the committee will be meeting once again on September 18th, and surprise, surprise, the market once again expects a cut. The options implied probability put the odds of a rate cut at a near certainty, with a 25 basis point cut most likely. President Trump has called for further rate cuts to provide support for the ongoing trade tiff with China. Fed Chair Powell says the U.S. economy has continued to perform well and is in a good place, despite the risks posed by the trade war. Despite these two leaders seeming to agree on the U.S. economy performing well, it looks like it's not well enough to keep rates on hold as global growth concerns continue to weigh. Number 2, Brexit. Despite a new month, we still have no clarity on what the UK's exit from the European Union, or lack thereof, might actually look like. Parliament will be suspended for a month starting September 9th as Prime Minister Boris Johnson pushes for the country to leave the EU as planned on October 31st. This move will limit lawmakers' ability to debate or pass laws until October 14th, meaning less time to stop the push for a hard Brexit, which could mean harsh economic effects for the country. Number 3, ECB stimulus. With trade talks seemingly on the back burner until October, we'll be closely watching the ECB as they too make additional monetary policy decisions, which many expect will include additional rate cuts in the coming weeks as part of a wider stimulus package to help counter a weak manufacturing sector and uncertainty surrounding Brexit. The move comes on the heels of Germany reporting an economic contraction in the second quarter, with GDP shrinking 0.1%. The Eurozone's largest economy is now at risk of a technical recession this year should they experience one more quarter of economic contraction in the third quarter. And that's been your Market Minute for the month of September. Thanks for listening.